Assalamualaikum dear student. As you know, my name is Roma. I am well by the grace of Allah and hope you are fine too. Before starting the work, I want to share thought of the day. Now the thought of the day is time and tide wait for none. This is a very common idiom but very effective and useful in every stage of life. It means that just like a tide, even time doesn't wait for anyone. Children, it means time is the most valuable thing we have and it should be used wisely. So the message is time is really necessary that we all manage time and utilize it properly. Before starting the work, I want to discuss the rules of the starting the work. Before starting the work, you should follow the rules. Here are some rules are: all work done in book, work should be done properly, writing should be neat and clean, written work should be done with pencil, revise the previous pages first, then start the work. This is your English language book of class 3. You can start the index first. This is index of you on screen. 1, 2, 3 pages we have done on last video. As you know, 4 and 5 we will do today. Now mention the date on page number 4 and 5, then start the work. My dear student, before doing new page, I want to review of previous lecture. I hope you have done the exercise, so I am sure to understand types of noun again. Let's start the revise of the new before starting new topic, revise of the last pages. As you know, our previous lecture of types of noun are classified into 7 types. Number 1, common noun, means are of a name which is given in common to every person, place or thing of the same class. Here are the example is: the girls go to school, the cow gives milk. Girls and cow are very common thing, it means common noun. Proper noun, the next one is name of a particular person, animal or thing. For example, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Sunday comes after Saturday. The third one is collective noun. A collective noun is a noun naming a group of person, animal or thing. For example, a class, an army. The fourth one is abstract noun. An abstract noun is usually the name of quality, action or state. Here are some abstract noun: goodness, darkness, honesty. Actions are hatred, judgment, laughter. And state, poverty, sickness, youth. And second last one is countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun is the name of object or people that we can count. We can count pen, book, apple, doctor, teacher, etc. Uncountable noun, an uncountable noun is the name of thing which we can't count. Gold, milk, sugar, rice, etc. The last one noun is material or concrete noun. A concrete or material noun is a noun by which things are made, such as cement, iron, and sand, floor, etc. Here are the revision of the last pages. Now we will do on next page, page number 4. This is the page number 4. Here are the question. Write the nouns. Mention the date first on the date corner, and now you can start the work. Number 1. Write 3 things in school canteen. Have you seen a canteen? Write any 3 things you can write as cupcake, chocolate, chips. Number 2. Write the names of 3 things in fair. Swing, stars, music are the things you can see in the fair. Number 3. Write the names of 3 pet animal. This is a very common and interesting. You know the pet animal. Some student have a pet animal at home. You can write the name of your pet animal. Maybe kitten, rabbit, chicken. And 4th, write the names of 3 wild animal. You know what wild animals are? Lion, zebra, panda, and you can write any type of 3 wild animal you can write here. Next one is write the names of 3 toys. Every child has a toys. So you know the name of toys: doll, Ludo, teddy bear, etc. etc. Number 6. Write the names of 3 kind of meat. Beef, mutton, chicken are the kind of meat. Number 7. Write the 3 things of grocery shop. In grocery shop I can see rice, oil, meat, and other things you can see. 8. Write the names of 3 things at railway station. Whenever we go to a railway station, I saw train, track, ticket, and you can see other things. You can write here any 3 things we have seen on railway station. Number 9. Write the names of 3 things at airport. Counter, flight chart, aeroplane. Any other things if you know, you can write over there. There is not necessary you will write these words. Number 10. Write 3 sum of sports as swimming, polo, beach volleyball. Number 11. Write the names of 3 flowers: rose, jasmine, tulip. You know the name of flowers, you can write as you wish. Write the 3 occupation are cobbler, butcher, and barber. The next number is write the tools used by carpenter. What type of tools carpenter are used? Here are hammer, measuring tape, a screw. Number 14. Write the indoor games. So many indoor games. I can tell badminton, carom, table tennis, and other indoor game. According to you, you can fill here. Number 15. Write the country begins with letter L. It means you can write the any country name which start first letter will be L. L for London, Libya, and Lebanon. Write the names of 3 currencies. Currencies means which money we use in our country, that is called the currency. Some different money they can use in other country, they can call the different type of name. Here are pound, dollar and rupees. The next one is 17 number is write the names of 3 vegetables. Very simple, you can write the vegetables name. Number 18, write the names of 3 fruits. You can write the any 3 fruits: apple, mango, banana, etc. Number 19, write the names of your friends as Ilza, Hiba, Aisha. If you have friends, you can write the name of here in this column. 20, write the names of your teachers. Here are some teachers' name. You can write this teacher's name here. The exercise is finished now. You can do the exercise with pencil. Don't use marker, and work should be done very carefully and very attractive. Thank you. Now next one, I will start the other page number 5. Now you can see. On page number 5, here is the sound of Y. There are 2 sound of Y at the end of a word: long I sound or long E sound. Cry has a sound of I and pony has a sound of E. Let us start. What is the meaning of sound of Y? What are you understand about the sound of Y? The letter Y has been stealing the sound of the letters. Y stole the long E sound, has been using I at the end of 2-syllable words. The letter is almost always used vowel. We know A, E, I, O, U, but some Y use a vowel. Now look at the screen. Exercise number 1, we will start. Make separate list of words of I sound and E sound from the following words. Here are the word banks. You can find out the some sound of I and find out the word of sound of E. Now we can make the table of I sound and E sound. Here are some sound of Y: city, sky, bunny, fry, muddy, cry, penny, way, dry, baby, 50, cherry, lady. Battery, army, funny, 20, candy, lorry, body, toy, boy, key, day, try, milky, shy, shiny, curly and monkey. You can write the I sound in the I table, and you can find out the E sound on the table of E. Other table you can fill them. Now find out where is sky, boy, cry, why, dry, shy, deny, fry, way and toy. We can include in the I sound. Now where is the E sound? City, candy, bunny, monkey, muddy, curly, baby, shiny, 50, milky, cherry, key, lady, body, battery, lorry, army, penny, funny and 20. Now you can fill the table of I and E. This page is finished now. I hope you will understand the sound of Y. Now complete your work with the pencil. At last, before finishing our video, now take care of yourself. I hope you will understand. Stay safe and stay at home. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.